light is so awesome. Oh, that would have been cool. Okay, so we do have some light to work with here still. That's kind of neat. Take that. Act like I'm doing nothing. Looking here, looking here. I'm looking there. Boom, baby, boom. Okay, guys. Today, we can see we got some light there. We're getting started with the Ricoh GR III. We got 1/400th of a second shutter, f9. And we are maxed out at 5,000 on the ISO auto with a 2-meter snap focus. The reason we're using 2 meters, very important. The last couple videos, some of the photos were a little fuzzy. Here comes the guy. We're a little fuzzy due to the fact that I was using 1 meter snap focus, which I'm used to using. If, for instance, you got somebody walking by here, you're okay because that's only maybe a couple meters or something like that. But if you're trying to shoot, there we go. If you're trying to shoot a further distance, you're going to have more than 1 meter. So that was my mistake. A couple people pointed that out, and so I came downtown today to try to rectify it. Still got a little bit of sun and some more people, so I'm going to try to go back here and I'm going to turn around and see if we can get some of these folks in the sun here. Picture of the dog here if I can. Can I get a picture of the dog? Can I get a picture?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Lennon, can you sit?
See, I need to be a few feet away here. There we go. Well, I want to lick that.
I know, but I
Thank you so much. Yeah. Looks chocolate. Shot here before they run out of the light. There we go. Here. Okay, here we go. Didn't get him. Oh, get this guy. Oh, see, when you get little banks of light, that's what you want to go for. Just like that. And again, we're at 2 meters on our snap focus. We're at 2 meters on our snap focus. Very important. Again, very, very important. We've got our GA1 coupler on here, guys. GA1 coupler with the 49mm UV filter. What that does, as you can see here, if you can see me, it allows you to be able to wipe off your camera like that, which you can't do if you're using your regular lens. You would never want to touch it with any cloth or anything because that dust is going to get sucked right inside. It may even get sucked inside there, but such is life. However, that's one reason I use it, is the protection. I also have the JJC thumb grip here, and all these items are available in the description below, including the camera. This is a GR III, not an X. 40mm on the X. Sounds very tempting. One day I hope to try it out. Just won't be right now. I did not pre-order. I'll leave that to the cool people. I'll let y'all tell me what you think. There's a dude on a bike. That'll be cool. People over there, people over here.
There's some connections. He doesn't have to sign up, nothing. He just wants to, he's willing to send samples, he's willing to make a trip.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go way down because I'm going to ask this girl if I can get a picture of her. So I'm going way down to 1/60th of a second, 5.8.
Like $1 million.
Can I get a picture of you with that hair?
With my hair?
That is so cool. I do street photography, and that's, I mean, it's photogenic, of course. I'll send you a copy of it if you want. No charge, of course. Okay, I got here. Let me.
I don't even
Well, let me go ahead and get my camera set here then. Whoops, 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 hang on, I'm sorry. Hold on.
Come on.
I'm just testing this out. I just walk around and do this sort of thing, but I guess I should be prepared, shouldn't I? Here we go, hold on. Okay.
You take your mask off?
Here we go. There we go, good thinking. Excellent. Oops, 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 hold on, hold on, hold on. Try that one more time. See, now I got nervous, I'm taking so long. But these are great. You are so photogenic. This is awesome. Hold on. Here we go. One more. Here we go. Here we go. You're going to like these. Okay, here we go. Perfect. Can I get a shot of you? You can't be left out.
Yeah.
Now you got to do her makeup and everything. Excellent. I'll send you a copy. Okay, here's your turn. There we go. Beautiful. One more shot. Excellent, excellent. Thank you so much. In case you can't, in case you can't hear. Hardest working lady downtown right there.
Yeah.
Keep it up, huh? See if I can get a good reflection shot as I turn and shoot. Okay, I do need to replace the battery, so let's see, we've got 338 shots on the Ricoh battery, and it is warm. It's 300 and what I say, 30 some shots on there in one outing. I usually try to take 2 or 3 each time I take a shot of people, so for every one you see, I've probably taken 2, maybe 3. Here we go, that's these guys for one picture. Kids. Oh, some cool light here. Let's see, we've got some really cool light this way. I'm afraid to give up my spot here for more light in another location. Well, let's just hope we got something out of those. This is pretty awesome. We still do have quite a bit of light there, as you can see.
Better if you double the move out there.
So we'll see what we came up here with here, guys. And again, thanks for tuning in. I've got the info on the GA1 coupler, the 49mm UV filter, the JJC thumb grip there, the camera itself, all available in the description below. If you purchase from those links, it does help this channel. I do appreciate it. We're going on almost a couple years here, so it would be nice to make a penny or two off this, but regardless, that's not why I do it. And I do not do it for fame and fortune and free cameras, because I get nothing. I have to pay for everything, even the gas to come down here. So, but again, guys, all you got to do is watch the videos. That's all I ask. If you can do that for me, then we're rocking. All right. Any problems, anything you see that's wrong, please let me know, and we'll try to fix it for next time. But again, very important. Go to that 2-meter snap focus distance if you're shooting anything across the street. Normally, I'm just walking down the street and I shoot people that might be 1 to 2 meters, which is 3 to 6 feet away from me. So it's never a problem. But I've been shooting these long distance across the street and all that. you know, learned my lesson on that. So sorry about this hair going crazy. I'm trying to go with a more generic, geeky look, because I think people will talk to me more that way. I tend to get more photos that way when I ask people if I can take their picture. Boy, I hope just hope this is not too windy. So anyway, that's what we're dealing with. So thanks for tuning in. Check it out, and we'll be back at the end here to cap.